Hello and welcome to all. In this video session we will learn about customer discount in SAP. So this video topic is related to FI module. But before we start, if you have not yet subscribed to our My Support Solutions YouTube channel, then click on the subscribe button. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates after every new video upload. This is totally free. If you like this video, then please click on the like button. Also you can share our video. Now we will start the topic. So first we will discuss and then we will do the practicals. So there are total 8 steps. So first step is define terms of payments. Transaction code is OBB8. So terms of payment is, we can say, discount rule. Okay, for example, we will give 5% discount to our customer if we receive the payment within 7 days, 2.5% discount for 8 to 15 days, and after 15 days no discount. So after 15 days there will not be any discount. Then we can define terms of payment for our vendor or our customer or for both. Okay, so this is our first step, define terms of payment. Now our second step is assign terms of payment to customer. So after we assign these terms of payment to customer in our customer master, system will pull these terms of payment at the time of creating the customer invoice, or we can change if requires. That I will show you at the time of practicals. Now our third step is create customer discount GL, that is general ledger account. This is the nature of this GL is expenses. So transaction code is FS00. This is our third step. Now in our fourth step we will assign this customer discount general ledger for automatic postings. So what will happen is, after we assign this GL, then when we create our customer payment or when we will post our customer payment, then system will automatically update this customer discount general ledger for the discount amount. We don't need to enter any amount manually. Okay, I will show you in our practical session. Now enter customer invoice. F-22 is a transaction code. So we will enter our customer invoice as customer account debit to credit sales. Okay, then sixth step is customer payment. F-28 transaction code. Now after this we will check our general ledger balance in FBL3N transaction code for this customer discount general ledger, and finally we will display our customer line items in FBL5N T code. So all these are 8 steps, and now we will do the practicals. So our first step, OBB8, define terms of payment. First step, OBB8, press enter. Click on new entries, payment terms, let's say account type. Now we will create this payment terms for our customer. So account type will be customer. Our default for baseline date, generally we select our posting date as our baseline date. Now here in payment terms, as we have see, this is our example. So 5% discount, 5% discount, number of days is 7, 2.5% discount for up to 15 days and no discount afterwards, so 30. Okay, so this is our example, 5%, 2.5% and no discount. So now we will save our terms of payments. Continue. So data was saved. Now first step is completed. Second step, assign terms of payment to customer in FD02, because we have already created our customer. So /n, transaction code is /n FD02 to change the customer. So this is our customer. Continue. We will assign our terms of payment. Click on the company code data. Click on payment transactions, and here we have to assign the terms of payment. So 1111, this is our code which we have recently just now created. Now we will save our customer. Okay, now our third step is create customer discount general ledger, which is expenses general ledger. So to create our GL, we will use transaction code FS00, customer discount general ledger. So /n FS00, this is our third step. Enter. This is our expense account. We will copy. Click on copy. This is our GL number. Continue. Customer discount, it's customer discount, and control data, currency, create bank interest, fee status group will be G001 general. Now save the general ledger. So this is our general ledger. This is our old customer discount general ledger, but we will work on this recent general ledger account of customer discount. Now we have created our customer GL. Now we will assign this GL for automatic posting. Transaction code is OBXI. So /n OBXI. This is our fourth step. /n OBXI. Press enter. Chart of accounts 2020. Continue. And here we will give the required general ledger account. The GL which we have just now created. Continue and save. So we will assign this general ledger for automatic posting. Save. Done. Now we will enter our customer invoice. This is a user activity. Okay, so we will enter our customer invoice in F-22 /n F-22. Enter. Document date document type will be dr, posting key 01 for customer. So here we have to enter our customer account. Enter. So this is our customer. Okay, enter. Let's say our amount is 5000 INR. Now see, here system has pulled data of payment terms. This is a payment term. Okay, we can change if required. By default, system has pulled this data. Why? Because we have assigned this terms of payment to our customer master, to our customer. Okay, so we will keep it as the same. Now our posting key will be 50 and account will be credit sales. This is our credit sales account. Enter. Now we will check the entry. XYZ Limited, this is our customer. So customer account debit to credit sales. Okay, customer account debit to credit sales. This is our entry. Now we will post our customer invoice. So the document 2005 was posted in our company code. So we have entered our customer invoice. Now customer payment F-28 transaction code, so /n F-28 customer payment, post incoming payment, date, document type will be DZ, bank account number. So our bank account number is 1. Just click, I click on this find button. This is our bank account number. Now amount. So amount will be 4750. So our customer will pay us 4750 because of this 5% discount within 7 days. Okay, so 5000 is our customer invoice amount, and 5000 less 5% equal to 4750. So this is a amount which customer will pay us. So open item selection. Here we have to enter our customer account. And click on process open items. Now see, amount enter 4750 and assign is also 4750. Now this is amount for cash discount. So system will automatically update this amount to this customer discount general ledger. Okay, hence we have followed, or we have done this fourth step, assign for automatic posting. Now post, document 3004 was posted in company code. Now we will check our general ledger balance in FBL 3N transaction code for this customer discount general ledger. So /n, we will use transaction code /n FBL 3N, press enter. This is our general ledger account. All items, execute. Now see, this is our general ledger for customer discount. Okay, so this is the amount. This amount the system has update automatically. Okay, so this is our customer discount general ledger. Now we will display our customer line items in FBL find transaction code. So /n FBL n, enter. This is our customer account and company code. All items execute. So this is our customer line item display. Okay, so that's all for now in this video. If you have any query or suggestion regarding this video topic, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch.